What's up, everyone? All right, so I'm working on a big update for my game, but there's this little glitch that's been bugging me, so I figured let's see how fast I can fix that. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Editor Preferences, and then we will turn off the bots, right, to keep them from killing us. Anyways, we're going to go into Window, Content Browser, we'll open up the first browser, and then it is under Game, where's Game? No, it's under Shooter Core Content, Game, Dash. It's this dash right here. So let me bring that over here. Let me actually show you what it is first. So if I'm loading up the game, all right, so I got my character, and if I hit Control, what is it, Shift, he jumps, right? So now if I face this way, and I hit the Shift button, nothing happens. If you can hear me tapping that. If I turn this way, nothing happens. But if I'm facing this way, he does, right? And so that is, it's in the X dimension. So we'll go into dash, and I don't know why they didn't do it, but basically what we'll do is we'll go branch. Oh my gosh, I cannot type. Sorry, we'll just put this right here. Connect this little output right there. And we'll do a reroute node. Scroll down. Connect right into there to end the ability. All right, so now that we've got that hooked up, we'll connect it. Let's play again. If I hit shift, nothing happens. Hit shift, nothing happens. All right, so you have to actually add. So if I move forward, shift, back, forward, shift, forward, shift. Working backwards? Yeah. Yes, now it works in any direction. But it stops that not going anywhere. Anyways, that's the quick fix. Hopefully that was super short video. And anyways, like, subscribe, all those things, and I'll be back with a pretty big update for my game.